Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how men feel about sex. You know, most men out there has different way of expressing their way or their lifestyle after having sex with their partner. The behavior of one man varies from the other. Though not all men behave the same way, but today's video will describe about 90% of men's behavior, because 90% of men behaves this way. 90% of men feel this way. What is that feeling? They feel in a particular way after having sex with their partner. So before we continue, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. You will be the first person that will get notified anytime I upload a good content like this. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, relationship advice for women, online dating advice. So if you want to know more about men or anything about relationship, you are on the right channel. Make sure you follow this channel up by subscribing. Before we continue, I want to ask you one question. Any man you are dating has a secret, and any man you are dating also has his own particular behavior. All men are not the same, but 90% of men feel different after having sex with their partner. So in today's video, I am going to share with you 3 powerful feelings that they do express after having sex with their partner. So let's begin. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel once again. Number 1 feelings that men express after having sex with their partner is that they became sad automatically, because they feel automatically satisfied after having sex with their partner. They feel satisfied that they will no longer need this anymore, forgetting that in few minutes, few seconds, depending on the nature of the body, that desire, that urge will still come again. So some men don't even know at that point in time that as he has gone through this now, in next few minutes he will need it again. But these feelings last for some minutes or some hours, depending the nature or the state of his health. It has different ways it can start up in every man. Number 2 is that the woman or their female partner became automatically irritated, in the sense that the man will start thinking, why will I continue with this person? Why do I enter this place for the first time or for the first place? Why will I do this? Why will I touch this, or why will I go into this? So they saw or they see the woman as something being irritating, but it is just for a few moments. Within a short period of time, that mindset, that feelings will just terminate or will just disappear, and within few minutes the desire and the urge to go again will come into him, and that is when he starts wanting you again. Number 3 and the last is that they became automatically satisfied, and that satisfaction is the cause of all this, because once a man is satisfied with sex, he will feel so sad, he will feel irritated over the woman, or the woman will be something irritating to him because of a moment's satisfaction. But in few minutes or in few hours, the desire will come again. So these three feelings are how men feel after sex. So there are some things that they don't understand, though they understand, but at that point in time they don't understand. What do they need to understand? They need to understand that that feelings is just for a moment or for some minutes. In few minutes to come or few hours to come, they will still have the urge to go again. So these three feelings are the major feelings that men feel after having sex. So your man is the best. Your man is unique. Hold him, maintain him. He is yours. Today is the end of my video. If you like this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person that will get notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Share this video to your friends and family, those that you think that might need it. Anything that you can help me, or anything that you want from me, or if you want anything, put it down in the comment section below. I am good to reply comments, and I will reply all your questions, or if there is anything you need to know further, make sure that you put it down on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.